Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a simple yet stylish high bun or high puff, perfect for beginners. And the best part, no gel is needed. If you struggle with slicking down your hair or you just want a quick easy natural style, this is for you. So let's get started. I'm starting first with making sure that my hair is clean and moisturized. Especially if your hair feels dry, you can apply a leave-in conditioner or light oil to keep it soft. Now I braided my hair down into this protective style a day before, so I'm just loosening it now and using that rat tail comb that I have. I'm gonna be dropping the link in the comment section if you want to get one. I got it from Timo. Next, I'm just going to be wetting my hair, making sure that my hair is damp. You don't want to do this hairstyle on a dry hair. Yes, you want to make sure that your hair is quite moisturized. Then I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner from Mega Growth. Mega Growth leave-in conditioner has always worked for me and I totally recommend. This is not even a paid sponsorship or an advert. It's just something that I use. I've been using it for quite some time now and I don't have any issue with it yet. Next, I'm just going to go in with some oil, a light oil. I formulated a carrot oil and the video is actually on my channel. If you want to see how I made it, I'm going to be linking the video in the description box so that you can actually go there and see it. And then I'm going in with shea butter for my ends. Yes, this is very important, especially someone like me who has high porosity hair. Now that we are done with that, you want to grab a wide tooth comb or you use your fingers and gently detangle your hair. This will help create a smoother, fuller puff. Okay, make sure that your hair is detangled. I'm using this wide tooth comb. Please do not use rat tail comb to do this. You don't want your hair shedding out. Now we're going to go to the star of the day, what you've been waiting for, and you're going to start by gathering your hair. Make sure your hair is brushed at the back and at the front. Remember, we are not using gel for this process, so you want to make sure that your hair is properly brushed, especially if you have short hair at your edges like I do. Next, tilt your head forward slightly and gather all your hair towards the top of your head. If your hair is short or medium length, you can use a soft brush to help smooth it into place. That's what I did initially. But remember, no gel. We are keeping it natural and fluffy. Once your hair is in position, use a shoelace or a satin scarf or an old stocking as your hair tie. This works better than tight elastic bands because they don't cause breakage. So I'm using a shoelace like I showed you guys. I've been using a shoelace for the longest time that I can remember to do a high puff. If you don't have a shoelace, you can use a strand of Brazilian wool or any extension that is stretchy. Wrap the hair tie around your head and gently pull it tighter. Gently pull it tighter until your puff is as high and as full as you want. Once it's in place, tie the knot or tuck the ends away. If you want extra volume, use your fingers to fluff out your hair. You can also pick it out with an afro pick for a fuller look. That is what I did. I'm using a comb to pick it out so that it looks very full. Now your afro looks fuller. You can lay your edges if you like or leave them natural for a soft, effortless style. And that's it. A quick, easy and stylish high puff without any gel, perfect for beginners. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy natural hairstyles. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. See you in the next video, and make sure you make me proud this week by not doing boring high puffs but doing this and to get a fuller look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.